Why did the people of Shitolia and the neighboring villages panic? The people of Shitolia and the neighboring villages panicked as the week-long rainfall caused the water level of Brahmaputra to rise. Answer to question number 1. Now, moving on to next question. What happened when the embankment at Shitolia was breached? The people of Shitolia braced themselves for the worst, and in a few moments, huge waves of water broke into villages. Water was flowing over housetops, and the air was filled with the cries and the wails of the village folk huddled over their rooftops and the mad bellowing of the livestock being swept away by the water. Now, question number C. What action did Khagen and his classmates take to rescue the villagers of Sitolia? Khagen and his classmates of Nitai Pukhuri College quickly grasped the seriousness of the situation and swung into action. They made a few rafts of banana trunks, and Khagen led the team with his father's boat and raced towards Sitolia to rescue the marooned. How did Khagen and Damru rescue Dr. Hatiburwa and Monibaidu? Khagen and Damru were informed of Dr. Hatiburwa and Monibaidu by Nanenkai. Soon, Khagen and Damru hopped into the boat, and then they steered the boat towards the dispensary. After half an hour, the boat reached the doctor's house. It narrowly missed the railing of veranda of the doctor's house. The doctor and Monibaidu were helped into the boat along with the two of their servants. Question number E. Why did the people of the village called Khagen the Prince of Panidihing? The people of the village called Khagen the Prince of Panidihing as he was a brave fellow and he knew the seriousness of the situation and was known for the presence of mind to solve problems. Question number 2. A. Who was Khagen? How old was he? Khagen was a young man of 17. He studied in Nitai Pukhuri College. Question number B. It rained heavily all week. What was the result? The result was that the water level of Brahmaputra rose continuously, and soon the embankment at Shitolia was breached, leading to waves of water flowing into the villages. Question number C. In moments, huge waves of water broke into the villages. What is this situation called? This situation is called flood. Question number D. Khagen, you have saved our lives, given us a new life. Who said this? Why did he say this? Dr. Hatibarwa said this line. He said this as Khagen saved him and his wife during flood, and thus the doctor said this line emotionally to express his gratitude towards Khagen.